Want unlimited AI videos like these? Using completely free credits? Just follow these simple and easy steps and get endless viral AI content. Today, I'll show you exactly how to get Digen AI 100% free and unlimited credits forever. Watch these simple steps. Use it now before it's gone. First, search for the Digen AI website in Chrome. The website should appear as the first result. Click on it. You'll see the interface of the Digen AI website. Simply click on Create button. To sign up, click on the profile icon. And below, you'll find the Sign Up for Free option. Click on it. As you can see, you can sign up with a Google account, but I want to sign up with an email. Now, in a new Chrome tab, search for the term Emailnator or Gmailnator and go to the first website. Scroll down and you'll see 4 options. Out of these, we need to disable 3 options and keep only 1 enabled. So, disable the first option, domain, disable the second option, plus Gmail, disable the very last option, Google Mail, only keep the third option, .gmail, enabled. Then, click on the Generate New button, and a fresh Gmail will be generated. Copy this email, go back to the Digen AI website tab, and paste the email. Click on the Send Code button, and the verification code will appear on the Emailnator website. Now, go back to the Gmailnator website and click on Go button. You'll see the verification code from Digen AI. Click on it, copy the code, and paste it into the Digen AI website. Then click on Continue with Email button. Now enter your new password and confirm password, and click Done. Now you can access the Digen AI website completely for free. As you can see above, we've received 300 credits for free, which we can use to generate AI videos and AI images without any cost. One more thing, when these credits run out, you can repeat this entire process using the Digen AI and Gmailnator combination to get another 300 credits for free. This means you can use this tool as much as you want, completely free of cost. Let me give you a quick overview of this website. You can upload an image and make AI-powered changes to it. You can also generate images by adding a prompt. In the Video tab, you can generate AI videos by entering a prompt or even convert an image into an AI video. There are 2 free models you can use, like Real Motion 2.0 or WAN 2.1. You can also add background music or voiceovers. The lip sync mode is also available for free. However, in the free plan, you cannot remove the watermark, but I'll explain how to remove watermarks from AI videos in the next video. By the way, if you go to the Home tab, you'll see many amazing AI videos generated by other users. Similarly, you can generate videos like these. You can even copy prompts from here. Create similar prompts using DeepSeek or ChatGPT and make your own videos or stories. If you want me to show you how to create viral videos using Digen AI, simply type Digen AI in the comments, and I'll make a complete tutorial video explaining how to make such videos, along with some viral niches. For now, I'm ending this video. I hope you've learned how to get unlimited free credits from this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.